Want to shop from Uniqlo right from your phone? In this guide, I'll walk you through how to download and install the Uniqlo app on an Android device so you can start browsing and ordering with ease. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. On the homepage, tap the search bar at the top and type Uniqlo. From the search results, find the official Uniqlo app and tap on it to open its download page. Next, tap the Install button. If asked, confirm any permissions or account details needed for the download to begin. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the app is installed, you'll see an Open button appear. Tap it to launch Uniqlo and begin exploring their latest collections and deals. And that's it. You're ready to start shopping on Uniqlo from your Android device. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy mobile guides.